9/22/17. This is just I hate to say a warning, but every time the sun's like this, the earth has a major earthquake. I don't care what any scientist says. I'm telling you right now, something ain't right. And the earth is going to react to this. Something's wrong with, look how powerful the sun is today. It's never like this. I notice every day there's a huge earthquake on the earth. The sun is exactly like this. I don't know why. Fuck science, man. We're being lied to, man. Look around the world how many earthquakes is going on right now. Not a peep out of the news. You trust them son of bitches, man? You better start getting your information from other sources, because this is truth.